Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into bubble.io, a powerful no-code platform for building your own SaaS applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, bubble.io can help you create amazing software without writing a single line of code. Let's get started with this quick start tutorial. To get started, head over to bubble.io and sign up for a free account. I already have an account here, so once you're logged in, click on Start Building to create your project. Then let's just select Start with Basic Features here. Then give it a name, and you can also change the logo here. Once you click this, it will open your File Explorer and you can upload your own logo. Then next step. You can also change the font style here, and you will see the changes real time. Then next step. You may also change the color variables here if you want. But of course, you can skip all these steps if you want to start from scratch and do all these on Bubble's interface. It really depends on your preference. Now let's take a quick tour of the interface. On the left, you have your design elements like buttons, text, and input fields. The center is your canvas where you'll build your app's UI or user interface. On the right, you have your components where you can customize other elements and manage workflows. You can close this, and if you want to open it again, you can just click on Components on top. Now let's design our page. Let's start from the header. So we can just select from any header templates here. Once you have selected, just drag and drop it to your canvas. Now you can change the name of the app here as well as other buttons. You can even delete some of them and adjust their position. Now let's add another button. Then edit the button name. For the roundness, let's make it similar to the sign up button. Also, let's make it smaller. Scroll down, click on height, and then let's make the width 100 instead. So yeah, you get the idea. Now let's input app elements. So again, you can edit the text here like this as well as the buttons. Next, let's say we want to add more elements like a video. So let's drag and drop it here. And as you do that, this prompt will again appear. So let's say the video is from YouTube. On video ID, just paste the YouTube link here. Then let's just tick these boxes. Now, if you want to check how it works, click the preview button at the top right, and you can now see how your app works in real time. You may try entering other data and see how it gets saved. Testing your app frequently is crucial to ensure everything works as expected. And there you have it. You now have an idea of how these basic functions work on bubble.io, a quick start guide to building your first no-code SaaS application. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy building. See you next time!